What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Hustle World. And for those of you all who are not going nowhere this weekend, or if you're looking for a casual watch face, I got 3 in the lineup for you to choose from, and they're all going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, so let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 is called BigSwatch. It's a very nice looking watch face, bold numbers, but it has a nice look to it. Black, red, and white thing. Looks nice. It's a casual watch face. It's not interactive, but again, remember, it's free. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice digital time dimmed down. I'm thinking, people, it is worth the download for a digital watch face, a casual watch face, and yes, a dress down watch face. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2 is called IWD Engine. This is definitely a nice casual watch face worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now, you can wear this through the week. It's going to be nice to play on the weekend. I like what the developer brought to the table with this one so far as the design is concerned. It definitely stands out. Now, in AOD mode, this is going to be in a dark theme mode, which looks really premium to me in my opinion. But when the watch face is on, you got a nice traditional analog look. You got stylish analog hands with a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that screams premium for this watch face, although it is a casual watch face. Now, I like the color blend. You got your numbers that are kind of a goldish color, then you got it blended with black and gray, ties in very well, which really pulls the watch face together. Now, what really stands out to me are the windows. I like the windows. You're going to get, of course, your digital time at the top. Now, your digital time is going to be in 24 hours, but you got a 12-hour analog time. Then you get your date right up under it. Now, down at the bottom in this window, you're going to get floors climb. You're also going to get your step information. Here, you're going to be able to get your steps, and you're also going to get your battery meter up at the top. I thought this was a good look for an analog watch face, and surprisingly, considering that it's free, it is interactive. So you can tap on here, get information on your steps, calories, floors. Here, you can get your alarm to set. Up at the top, of course, you know, your battery info. And again, on your step meter, you're going to be able to get your step status info. So I thought this was a good look for an analog watch face that is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you download ASAP. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, watch face number 3. This one is called IWD GDF 100 Fit. It's a nice 24-hour watch face, not bad at all. I like the look, I like the design. And in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look in the dark theme mode. The design is still going to be the same, but it's going to look awesome. But once the watch face is on, what I like about it is this second-hand window right here. Adds a lot of character to the watch face, makes it stand out. And up at the top, you're going to get your month, your heart rate, of course, your date. And you come down, you're going to get your nice big bold 24-hour time. You also got your steps here, battery info here, moon phase there. And on top of the fact that this watch face is free, it is interactive. So if I tap here, I can go into my settings, tweak my watch however I see fit. Not a bad look at all. You get your battery info, and you can go into your step status. You tap right here on the time. You can go in and set an alarm. So you got features here, which I thought was pretty cool. Get your calendar. For a free watch face, this is not bad at all. And you can customize the color to this. Check this out. Double tap in the center of the seconds, and you can customize the color theme of this watch face. You get 10 in all, if I'm not mistaken, and they all are gonna look nice. Let's cycle through. Not bad for a free watch face. What do you think, people? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, is this a download, or is this a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.